हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम इन पवन सतोषी यूट्यूब चैनल। स्वागत है आपका पवन सतोषी यूट्यूब चैनल पे। सो फ्रेंड, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट वन प्रोजेक्ट दैट्स नेम इज वेव वॉलेट, एंड यू नो दैट वी आर ऑलरेडी डूइंग दिस प्रोजेक्ट फ्रॉम लास्ट आई थिंक 6 मंथ। दोस्तों, ये प्रोजेक्ट हम लास्ट 6 मंथ से कर रहे हैं। दिस इज द यूनिक प्रोजेक्ट। ओके, so here you can collect the ticket and you can earn the waypoint very easily. यहाँ पे आप waypoint जो है easily gain कर सकते हैं, and you know the waypoints, it will be get converted in your wave wallet token on TG. So this is the most crucial part that you have to understand and you have to learn it. So how we can earn tickets, so I will show you in this my video. So first we will go step by step. Okay, so let me show you what is the process. So friend, first if you will click on their bot, so what is the bot? So you know, this is the link of the bot. ये link है इस bot का. So if you will click on this link, if you will type on this link, it will direct you here in their bot. वो आपको यहाँ पे इस bot पे लेके आ जाएगा, वेव वॉलेट पे, right? So it's simple thing. If you type here start, so you can see that bot will open, this message will come. So what you have to do, you have to click this page and you can see you will find this link. तो दोस्तों, यहाँ पे जाओगे तो ये लिंक आएगा. So you can copy this link, okay, and it will direct you to the web browser. Okay, यहाँ पे वेब ब्राउज़र पे ये आपको लेके आएगा. एंड if you have already wallet, so you can import here. If you are new user, you can create your wallet. तो दोस्तों, अगर आप पुराने यूज़र हो तो आप यहाँ पे import कर सकते हो अपने प्राइवेट की, right? So if you are old user, you can import your wallet, and if you are new user, you can create your wallet from here, this side. Okay, and you can start to use your wallet. So if you click import wallet, you have to paste your seed phrase की और प्राइवेट की. आपको अपनी सीड फ्रेज की या प्राइवेट की जो है आपको यहाँ पे डालनी पड़ेगी, राइट? So friend, if you are old user, so you know that you can take out your private key phrase key from this area, and if you will click on seed phrase, you will get your seed phrase key. Okay, so this way you can import your seed phrase key or private key, or you can import it. Okay, so I will import here. You can see that I have already imported here. So first let me claim my daily 150 rewards. तो दोस्तों, यहाँ पे हम पहले इसको रिवॉर्ड लेते हैं. So friend, now the important part is click on the square button. Square button पे आपको क्लिक करना है. So if you are new member, you can join my squad. If you're your squad, so you can copy your squad code and you can share to your team. So you can see that I have already my team. So I will copy this squad, or you will get this squad in my telegram channel. आपको ये जो स्क्वाड है ये मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा. सो आई विल शो यू दैट एवरी डे आई शेयर हियर माय स्क्वाड कोड. So in video description you will find my squad code, so you can see every day I provide squad code. You can see this is the squad code. So every day I provide it. हर दिन मैं आपको यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड करता हूँ. So now what you can do, you have to click here and DApp. So in DApp you can see this is wave trading. तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ वेव ट्रेडिंग है. यू हैव टू क्लिक हियर, राइट? सो let me go back again. I will try to click wave trading, and now what you have to do, you have to click meme wheel. आपको meme wheel पे click करना है, and friend, here you will find the one options to enter your squad code. आपको यहाँ पे squad code डालना है. So as you will enter and paste your squad code, you will get tickets. आपको यहाँ पे daily tickets you can collect it. Even you can collect more ticket through by trading. If you click here trade, you can trade here. Okay, if you want to buy something, you can buy from here or you can sell it. So this way you can collect your tickets. Okay, and let me show you that. I will click here on spin. If your friend, if your ticket is more than 4, or if you have 5 tickets, you can choose this one. Okay, you don't need to click again and again. But if you have less than 5, then you can choose this option, spin win. So you can see in my case I have 3 tickets, so I will go with this one. तो मेरे पास कम टिकट है तो मैं इस पर क्लिक करूँगा, spin 1. So you can see now I have won 25 waypoints. Okay, so I will close it. Again I will click it. तो दोस्तों यहाँ पे इस तरीके से आपने इसको क्लेम करना है. You can see again I will click it. So this is the unique concept given by the wave team. ये एक बहुत ही बढ़िया beautiful concept meme wall. They have given us this the options. ये हमें options मिला है, right? So this is the beauty of this wave wallet, and you can earn the waypoints. And if you click on the event button, you know this is the event button. अगर आप event button पे click करते हैं, and if you click on the road to TG, so I will show you here. If I click road to TG, and if you will click here strong community, so friend, you can see here you will get one options where you can also put your code, and you will get the extra reward from this options also. यहाँ भी एक options आता है जहाँ से आप wave reward, wave point collect कर सकते हो. Okay, and third options you can choose is by staking your ocean point. If you will click on staking, and if you will click here waypoints, so if you have ocean token, you can stake here. तो दोस्तों यहाँ पे आप स्टेकिंग से मदद से इसको इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं. So let me stake 400 points. So by staking your ocean point also you can collect wave points, right? So this is the method, 3 method which you can earn wave point, and on TG you will be able to get wave token. So friend, I will advise use this wonderful project, and this is the all educational part which I have provided you. तो दोस्तों इसको आप यूज करते रहना. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.